blender sent to me free of charge for this review, and this is going to make it super simple to make smoothies, blend up other foods, or make certain purees a lot easier than having to get down your big blender and then the whole cleaning process. This is just going to make it so much simpler and faster. So just want to show you how this is going to work. First off, this does have a removable head, so when you do need to clean it, you're going to be able to do so very easily. So you're just going to turn that. That's going to pop off. You're going to be able to hand wash it. The bottom of it is where your blades are going to be. Got to be super sharp, so just be mindful of that. Then we do also have our controls right here. So we have LED indicators letting us know what speed we are on. So we have 5 different speeds, and you're just going to click that button in order for it to power on. You do have to press and hold. You can't just press and release. And like I said, you do have 5 different speeds based on what you're going to be blending. In this cup right here, I have some apples, I have some blackberries, I have some blueberries. We're going to turn it into pretty much a smoothie, just so I can show you how well this works, so you can decide if this is what you're looking for. Alright, so in pretty much just a minute, it has turned all of the fruits into a smoothie. So this actually did a lot better than I had anticipated, and I hope that this review has helped you out in deciding if this is what you're looking for your kitchen.